Robbie Montgomery is an American soul singer. She is noted for being one of the original Ikettes in the Ike and Tina Turner Revue in the 1960s. After her tenure as an Ikettes, she became a night tripper for Dr. John. Montgomery was a backing vocalist for acts in the 1970s, including Stevie Wonder, Barbra Streisand, the Rolling Stones and Joe Cocker. Montgomery later became a successful restaurateur and star of the award-winning reality series Welcome to Sweetie Pies. Robbie Marie Montgomery was born on June 16, 1940, in Columbus, Mississippi, to Ora Gray and James Montgomery. They lived with her great-grandmother, Miss Parthenia, who was American Indian. When she was 6 years old, her family moved to St. Louis, Missouri. She grew up in the Pruitt-Igoe projects as the oldest of 9 siblings. Her siblings are James, Walter, Robert, George, Everett, Linda, and Janice. Montgomery was raised a Baptist but is now a Methodist. She sang in the church choir. Montgomery attended Curtis Elementary School and graduated from Pruitt High School. Montgomery and 2 neighborhood friends, Frances Hodges and Sandra Harding, started a doo-wop singing group called the Rhythmettes, and they started appearing in talent shows. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.